How to extract numbers from a string in Python. I would like to extract all the numbers contained in a string. Which is better suited for the purpose, regular expressions or the istigit method? Example. Result.
If you only want to extract only positive integers, try the following. I would argue that this is better than the regex example because you don't need another module, and it's more readable because you don't need to parse and learn the regex mini language. This will not recognize floats, negative integers, or integers in hexadecimal format. If you can't accept these limitations, Jimaz's answer below will do the trick.
I'd use a regex. This would also match 42 from blah 42 blah. If you only want numbers delimited by word boundaries, space, period, comma, you can use \b. To end up with a list of numbers instead of a list of strings. Note, this does not work for negative integers.
This is more than a bit late, but you can extend the regex expression to account for scientific notation too. Gives all good. Additionally, you can look at the AWS Glue built-in regex.
If you know it will be only one number in the string, i.e. hello 12 hi, you can try filter. For example, but be careful.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.